Hello everybody, my name is Nikhil S Kowshik. My roll number is 21MT30021 and I'm from section 13, and I'm here to display my DIY assignment 2, which actually is an Arduino project which uses TinkerCAD. So let's get on with it. So as you can see, I've actually made a temperature monitor which has a temperature sensor and is composed of three LEDs. So this temperature monitor basically indicates what is the optimum temperature for human beings to live in. So we all know that the optimum temperature where we can perform all experiments or all humans can actually live peacefully is actually the room temperature, which is from 25 degrees to 32 degrees. If it's much lesser than 25 degrees, then we know that it's actually cold, and then we actually have to use different clothes. We actually have to use different methods such as heaters, so on and so forth, in order to actually warm up our rooms. Else if it gets too hot, greater than 32 degrees, then we actually have to use air conditioners, fans, and we actually have to use very light clothes, so on and so forth. So this the temperature sensor basically actually will indicate what's the temperature of the surroundings, and then the different LEDs will actually glow up according to the temperature. So if it's actually too cold, then it will turn green. If it is optimum temperature, then it's orange, and if it's too hot, then it actually turns red. So yeah, this is the code. As you can see, I've actually typed the code by using embedded C++, and I've not used any code blocks. So yeah, let's get on with the simulation, shall we? Yeah. So as you can see, the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. This is optimum temperature, so that's why the orange LED is blinking. Now let's get on with what happens if it gets too hot. As you can see, when you're 77 degrees, 95 degrees, 125 degrees, so on and so forth, it's very hot. So that's why the red LED is actually blinking. And yeah, it's back to orange. And now it's back to green, because if it's less than 25 degrees at 10 degrees Celsius, then we know it's too cold. So it actually, the green one starts blinking. So yeah, this is basically the simulation. What have I written the code? I basically connected all the LEDs to the subsequent ports, and and actually I given a delay of zero point 0.3 seconds or 300 microseconds, in such a way that it keeps actually blinking on and off, so as to actually alert to human beings what is the actual temperature of the surroundings, and to take action accordingly. So yeah, this is basically my project actually. It's I've actually written this code, and these are actually the connecting cables. So yeah, I even color coded them according to the LEDs. So yeah, this is my project. As you can see, this is the optimum temperature now. So I feel like it's actually a very useful project that can be used in many situations. Thank you.